What are you starting with? Flames, cubes, tearing. Oh, nice. I'm surprised you didn't buy more packs during cube sale. Oh. Yeah, true.
I was told content. I'm here. Good luck to you. Okay! Okay! That was triple prime. I don't know if anyone just saw that. 13, 13, 13, Keck. We're looking at boss at magic attack, please. Or 33 magic attack. Thanks. Fuck. Yes, yes. Yuck, what is that, bro? Stop. God damn it, that would have been nice too. Oh my god, dude. That was double prime, okay, cute. Okay. Okay, double, let's go! The double crit prime, let's go! Bismillah, 33, let's go. I believe. Oh, industry. Ooh, double prime.
I don't know if it's just me, but when he cubes, he has that delay.
Yeah, there's a delay. That is correct. It's okay.
I don't know, it's just, like, if I was cubing right now with that would give me anxiety. I like to know the answer, like, right now. Yeah.
Hey, Bismillah, let's go!
You might not even need 180 fucking bpot cubes.
Bro, I hope you hit 2 line, if not 3 line.
You might even need 18. Let's
Fast.
go.
Legendary, come on. Bismillah,
cool.
alhamdulillah.
Yeah. If you get your magic attack, you're Gucci on bpot.
2 line, 2 line, 2 line, 2 line.
Ooh, that was double for him, what the fuck?
Yeah, he's hitting them. 2 line magic tag, let's go. Fuck. Fuck. Oh wow, that was the bottom one too. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Not int. We don't need int. We don't mind int as a 3rd line though. That's perfectly fine as a 3rd line. Or all stat, I don't care, that's fine too. Or magic attack, heck, 33. Oh, okay, dude.
Nice.
Oh no, you faggot. God damn it. Wow. Yuck.
I'm starting my game DC. I'm just restarting it.
That's okay.
Oh.
Wow, I would have been kind of happy if you actually hit on that one, to be honest. Nice double prime. That's because you're not in armor graveyard, man. I'm telling you, go to armor graveyard. All my bpots are hit there. That map is literally goated. It's in Vertil. Well, it's called armor graveyard. AR, AR. That's it. Armor graveyard. Last one, last one. To the bottom right, there you go. There's like a hill to the right, go there and good luck. Right here. Wallah, watch, you're gonna hit now. Doesn't matter, that part don't matter. Oh my god, I mean, it's tricky. This isn't bad. This isn't bad. You're missing 3%. So... Alright, thank god I have a shit ton on meisters. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. I gotta go do Saren. Good luck. I'll be back.
Are you ever gonna settle for 2-line and use black cubes or no? The blacks just for tearing up something else then? Did you have a shit ton of blacks? Ah, see.
I'm back for content.
Yes, what the fuck? That's a lot of free. Yeah.
Have you seen it any 2 lines at least, or? That's not keepable.
We don't accept
If only that was boss. If that was boss, that would have been disgusting.
Yeah.
That would have been gross, actually. You have a little bit of room. This is the most free-to-play shit I've ever seen in my life. I love it. I mean, unfortunately, we just hit violets. That would have been fucking huge for you. Alright, good luck.
I believe. If magic attack is free for Artie and I, it should be free for you also.
True.
Come on, game, make it happen. We all know it's a free stuff.
Oh, wow. 13 on the bottom, tech. Honestly, even if he gets like 20... Bruh. Even if he gets like 23 and 30... Boss, you might as well just keep. Until you save up like a shit ton of money and you want to fix it, because... Even then it's kind of hard to beat, but it's beatable. Fuck, like that. Like this would have been fine. If you had double boss, even magic attack, that's perfectly fine too.
Yeah, honestly, if I was you and you got that with magic attack, I would have kept that. Then fix it later.
That would have been fine too.
You just want a weapon to use with some stats.
I mean, equalities might come out. Oh shit. Oh shit. That would have been nice. Oh my dude, what the fuck? If you just got a boss line, I would have been happy for you. Like, okay, you're kind of done. Again? Hello? Dex is so fucking free.
Dude, that's all I want to third man Dex class. That's all I want to third man Dex class.
That shit is so free, dude. We saw that shit twice.
Yeah? Artie, that's all I want to third man Dex class. The freest fucking stat in existence.
Wow, 40, 10, 10.
Aww.
Oh, that would have been nice too. 40, 10, 10, we keep for now. Fuck it. You still have a little bit left. Oh, you have blacks too. Don't you have this few more meisters? I thought you had a few more meisters. Just eat those first. Also, I think your meso shop finished before we left, so I don't know if you claimed that.
Hey, did you finish your B part?
Yeah, he had 10-10 technically, so it's fine. He's keeping it for now. Armor Graveyard OP.
Yeah.
I mean, you can chase the 13-10 next cube sale if you're gonna do anything. Don't push. I'm gonna be honest with you, dude. I've literally cubed 2 Saren emblems, and I spent like 2k, and I still didn't. When I got, you can get back that much, but it's very, very hard. You're not gonna get it in 100 cubes. It's not guaranteed. bpots is a scam. Bismillah.
I used to have maple points for like red cubes.
Oh my god, he would have been finished with that too. Yeah, he just did. F2P, let's go.
Yeah, honestly, why not?
Back double prime.
Better than buying a new set of cubes. You can get the double primes.
I mean,
What are you gonna buy? Up to you.
reds?
I mean,
yeah. I mean, black. I hit mine with blacks.
I'll be honest with you, just use the blacks first. Do you have plans for the blacks? What if you get it in one red cube and you bought like 4 packs for nothing?
You can sell a service.
True.
Worst case, you can sell a service. He's not losing out.
I'm waiting for him to actually hit it. Come on, with trick index in here. Just what if?
Honestly, try here. If you don't hit it, go. I'll take you to another map.
Okay.
Oh my god! What the fuck
Jeez.
is that?
Jesus Christ. Right.
I mean, preferably we want a boss line in the middle too. Unless you get obviously 33, then it's perfectly fine. You know? I mean, that needs to stop. That's
Illegal.
That's like, I've seen that 3 times already.
ID on a weapon should be illegal. I don't want to
True.
see none of that. I don't want to see that line ever.
Shit. Go to Forest Depths Springs. Forest Depths Springs. Yeah.
Oh my god, content, hello.
Yes. Hello, CEO. Hello.
Oh yeah, I play Maplestory, man.
I think the trick is you should be using those black cubes.
Nah, man. I mean, if he's gonna go blacks, I'd rather him just completely buy out all blacks.
No, with the blacks he has in his inventory. Not
Let him at
not
least see
black.
2 line, bro. If he sees 2 line, I tell him to fuck it, YOLO that shit.
Once you go black, you never go back.
Exactly.
I sent it to you. Forest Depths. Just put in Forest
Red-
DEP.
Red cubes are just the pay to win
That's it.
version of Meister cubes.
To the
That's
right.
all they are.
My eardrums.
Good luck.
I need to lower your stream. Ooh, nice. Okay.
Oh,
That would have been nice, not gonna lie.
yeah, actually, that would have been super nice.
Oh, I forgot there's a delay.
Oh, motherfucker.
Oh. call it now. You're gonna hit something at the when you hit 30 cubes.
Wow, double prime.
Right here. Oh damn it!
Nice luck. The best stat in the game.
I think I know what you need. You need somebody that's an attack class to queue for you.
I dropped the weapon, I'll cube it for you.
Aww.
Oh,
10-10 magic.
Yeah, I would have been happy for you, but like, fuck it, he's free. Oh, that too. I
I'm
count
calling
those
it
be.
5 cubes.
That's what I'm talking about. Here comes the real cubes.
Here comes the real stats.
Watch, he's gonna hit with. See, now we're talking. Keep going. That trust me. Black cubes are it, man.
Bitch, come through, channel 9.
Okay,
yeah,
keep
yeah,
for
yeah.
now.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking
You need to put
about.
a soul on your shit now.
Keep rolling. You're hitting the good lines. Just keep going.
Like Mitch says,
Black
once you
cubes,
go
black
back, you
cubes.
never go back.
Exactly. You keep going, mate.
You feeling it, Mr. Krabs?
Oh my god.
Double prime.
Oh, so
Oh
Yeah,
my
you-
god, that would have been done too. Yeah, you could settle with that. I mean, it's not the cleanest thing to look at, but it's.
Oh,
Wow, holy.
if that was 26 Matt, man.
And it's free. We gotta give him the power. We gotta give him the power, bro.
Reading all the people that get magic attack like it's nothing.
I know, right? Double prime,
Because-
okay.
The Avengers of Magic Attack cubers. Let's go.
I would have been so happy if you hit freaking magic attack on that. Not gonna lie.
Wait a
Ooh,
minute.
double prime.
That should have happened. All I get is magic attack.
True. Shit.
There we go. Now we're talking. Now let's get Channel 3.
Oh, did you move back to 8?
He went to
Oh, no,
Channel
there he is.
3.
Okay.
He went to the
Yeah.
best channel.
I'll drop you the lucky miniature pianist.
I've dropped the frenzy totem, so you know the luck is there. Increasing the luck rates. Let's go.
We're not whales, we're fishes.
You're gonna hit with these black cubes. Easy.
Oh my god, dude.
You got that line so many times.
Oh my god. You
Oh
gotta
my
be
god.
kidding. One more. Fuck. You gotta put a soul on your weapon at least. I mean, that's a lot of damage you're missing. Oh, what kind of soul? You don't give a shit, I got it.
Holy shit, there's 100 bill just sitting there.
It's free to play, not pay to win. He has to earn the mess though.
Wow, free MVPs. Kinda want these.
Take them, I don't care.
I can train my wind archer.
One? I'll be right back, hang on.
Wait, what do you... you don't care what soul, right?
Do I have any? Hang on a second.
You need a soul fin for it.
Oh, I can't go to auction house, hold on. I'm gonna wait to use one soul first.
That's three! Ooh!
Let's go! And one
Jeez.
soul! Hey,
That shit is
Darkman.
free!
Free.
That shit is
I was already better than your weapon. Woo! Wow, that is so free. It's just one soul.
Not bad, not bad, not bad. You need to reflame. Wait a minute. Do you need to reflame that, mister? Wait. You want to re-roll your bpot? You think you can hit? Alright.
I'm
If you
believing. 23. Calling it 26%.
I'm calling it 39% magic attack. Let's
Fuck
go.
that. Give him 33 bpot. I don't even care at this point, bro.
Holy shit. Oh, these are from the cube sale, huh? I just realized how much cubes you have.
Alright, is that what we're doing? We're doing sacrifices? Fuck it, I'll sacrifice. Sacrifice. Sacrifice.
Yo, I'm gonna tap one of my items to 23 star.
Sacrifice.
You said sacrifice, let me start with some items to 23.
Sacrifice.
And I've been by
Sacrifice.
order.
All these
God
uni-
fucking damn it.
Yeah, I did a lot during cube sale. Sacrifice.
all these uni scrolls. What the fuck?
No, I did a lot during cube sale. I was very happy. Fuck, there's only one. Two line.
I haven't seen a single line.
I seen one, but it's not a. Oh, double prime. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, that's sad.
I'm just looking for a range increase.
I mean, but we don't want a fake increase. That's the problem. We want a good.
That's true.
We don't want damage. Damage is shit. Unless the third line is damaged, then it's perfectly fine.
Yeah. Oh. All these sacrifices. Jesus Christ. Oh,
Luck,
look at
the best stat.
Oh.
Oh no, hell no, I'm rerolling the shit out of that. Fuck out of here.
50-50, go. Ah. Oh. Damn, look at this fancy guy, Benny. Wow.
Okay.
Okay, and secondary line. Okay, secondary stat. Okay, okay.
Okay, brute force. Let's go. Not
Now,
bad.
first, what's the main fault? Let's go.
Now flame, right?
Do I have any flames for you? Shit, hang on a second.
Well, your weapon's gonna give you a 10% funnel damage, so you don't lose anything.
Heck yeah, 10%.